Okay, hi guys. Second day from yesterday. Today I'm horizontal. Finally. Not the final setup though. Scratching my shoulder with the camera. I can't see or like I can't turn my head around that much. Right now, as you can see, I'm in a park. Send me here. I could obviously I could walk here, but I chose to deliver on a bike, not on foot. Oh my god. Well, face, face doesn't want to shut up. She's like talking continuously, repeating everything again and again. Yeah, well, as you can see, shit. Uh, it's exactly what I see in my helmet. And because of the rain, I'm already 2 hours or more than 2 hours in these conditions. I'm not using my phone because I don't want it to get wet and destroyed. So I'm just listening to waves, and it's a little bit more difficult to talk and listen to waves. So today's uh, commentary might be even worse than yesterday's. Anyway, I won't be able to do this uh, for more than, I don't know, maybe like an hour. Like my toes are freezing, my butt is kind of wet because I'm repeatedly sitting on a wet seat. So even though my clothes are pretty good, I would say the water number is 10,000 millimeters or something like that. And so far, I feel dry, except the feeling on my butt, and that might be only a feeling. But yeah, well, I will check it out when I'm home. We are going again. This is the Strahov Stadium. I was talking yesterday about, but well, maybe we will see a little bit more today, but just a little bit. Uh, it's abandoned, destroyed, like a good place for some squatters and graffiti guys, things like that. I would say definitely has its vibe. Okay. Yeah, really, I will need to get a break, get to some warm place for a bit, and then I will probably call it a day because it's not very good. I forgot what Vase told me. Uh, uh, so far, it's not saying anything. Okay, so they are maybe trying to turn me around, but yeah, I don't see it, so I will believe it. By the way, yesterday it was the first time I heard my chain screaming because it was wet yesterday as well. It wasn't raining, but it was wet. So I lubed it, obviously, clean it, lubed it. But today, after an hour and a half, it's making noises again. So I will have to buy some uh, other type, which is good for wet conditions. Otherwise, I would destroy it pretty quickly in this weather. My fingers start freezing as well. Uh, it's freezing. It's freezing. Yeah, yesterday I briefly uh, watched a couple of videos from yesterday footage and audio, and I realized I'm huffing and puffing quite a lot. But yeah, we can say it's authentic, right? It's not an easy job, and it's not the most pleasant weather. Also, every biker, like motorbiker, knows very well that when you have a little bit cold, you just need to deal with it in other means. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to ride. Like using a handkerchief is not an option. Not while riding, anyway. The worst thing for my view is that I have foggy, foggy helmet. Even though I have the thing, I don't remember how it's called today. Right now, I have it and it works very well. But these are extreme conditions. I'm breathing. I'm talking. It's 3 degrees Celsius. So I can't see much. Okay, I will go home. This is crazy. This is crazy. And like in this weather, in dark, that's a no-go. It's absolute no-go. Riding blindfolded wouldn't be much of a difference. Well, today I'm really glad I have two pairs of gloves, because I can take the dry one on my way back. Yeah, anyway, I need to cut the videos from yesterday. Hopefully, there will be some interesting material, even though it will be vertical. I hope that the most interesting part is the authenticity and my comments. If not, I will stop doing it, or I will keep doing it only a little for my friends, as I was doing that for a couple of years for my biking, mountain bike, but that was without commentary. And myself, I'm watching YouTube a lot, but I'm not watching videos without commentary, so it's easy decision for me. Next week, the weather should be even worse. It should be freezing. So I won't be working. I will be editing the videos, do some other things. Also, yeah, what I can do with my helmet is basically this. Wait, where is it? Here it is. So I can do this. And that should be a better result for a couple of minutes. Um, so yeah, this particular info could be interesting even to non-bikers. Yeah, it's like 5% better than not doing it at all. Okay, okay. Last order. I got enough. It will be 2.5 hours in rain in 3 degrees Celsius, and I had enough.